Given question, for 4-stroke single cylinder engine, bore is equal to 80 mm, stroke is equal to 110 mm, torque is equal to 23.5 Newton meter. Calculate the brake mean effective pressure of the engine. What would be the mean effective pressure if the engine rating is 4 kilowatt at 1500 rpm? Let us understand given data. This is the 4-stroke engine and bore diameter is given 80 mm. So bore diameter we will give the notation small d and we will convert this term into standard unit meter, that is 0.08 meter. Then the stroke length is given, that is L, and it is 110 millimeter, that is 0.11 meter. Then the torque is given capital T, it is 23.5 Newton meter. Now for this data we have to find out brake mean effective pressure, that is BMEP. Now the second question, engine rating is given 4 kilowatt. So what is this engine rating? It is known as brake power. So we will give the notation BP. And speed is given 1500 rpm, that is revolution per minute. So its notation is capital N. And we have to find out BMEP, that is brake mean effective pressure. So we will first find out the brake mean effective pressure for this given data. Now what is the formula? So formula for the brake power is equal to, so we have two formulas for the brake power. So it is equal to 2 pi nt by 60,000, which is equal to brake mean effective pressure into L into A into small n divided by 60,000. Now here capital N refers to the speed 1500 rpm, and this small n is having different value for the 4-stroke engine as well as for the 2-stroke engine. For 4-stroke engine, small n is equal to capital N by 2, and for 2-stroke engine, small n is equal to capital N. So this small n we have to replace with capital N by 2. Now we have to find out brake mean effective pressure. Now if we observe this data, then brake power is not mentioned in the question. So we will equate these two equations. So how to find out brake mean effective pressure? So I will transfer all these other terms to the left hand side. So this 60,000 is getting cancelled and it will become 2 pi nt divided by LAN. So this LAN I have to transfer to the denominator. Now again we will simplify. So this small n is equal to capital N by 2. Now what is this A? So this cross sectional area. So bore diameter is given. So this diameter of the cylinder is mentioned. Now from this diameter we can calculate the area. So it is in circular shape. So area is pi by 4 d square. And L we will write as it is. Now if we observe the numerator and denominator, then this pi is getting cancelled. This n is also getting cancelled. So this 4 and 2 we will transfer to the numerator. So 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So 16t divided by LD square. So this is the simplified form. Now T torque is known, L stroke is known, D, that is bore diameter, is also known. So we will put the value. So all these are the standard unit, that is meter and Newton meter. So when we put the data, we will get the answer 5.34 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per meter square. Now we will observe the units. For T, it is having unit Newton meter. So I will write here the unit Newton meter divided by L. So L is having unit meter and D square is having unit meter square. Now if we observe, this meter is getting cancelled, and what is the unit for brake mean effective pressure? Newton per meter square. Now we will move to the second question. We have to find out brake mean effective pressure where brake power is given. Now if we observe, brake power is equal to BMEP LAN by 60,000, where stroke length, that is known, A area, cross sectional area, is pi by 4 d square, where d is known, and small n is equal to capital N by 2, where capital N is given. So we will write this formula. So brake mean effective pressure, we will transfer all this term to the left hand side. So brake power into 60,000 divided by LAN. Now we will put the values. So what is BP? It is 4. 60,000 divided by L 0.11, area pi by 4 d square, that is pi by 4 0.08 square, and this N for 4 stroke engine, capital N by 2, that is 1500 by 2. So its answer is 5.75 into 10 raised to 5, and brake mean effective pressure standard unit is Newton per meter square. So we will write the unit Newton per meter square.